I'm starving, and you know they say about grocery shopping when you're starving. Damn, that shoe's big. What is that for? Anyway, they say don't, because you spend an ungodly amount of money. But do I listen? No. I keep leaving the house without eating, and then I saw something that piqued my attention, and it's chips. I don't like chips, but why not? So this is jalapeno flavor. This is 3 cheese and onion. Well, I am so bad at this. And this is devil's barbecue, which I'm assuming is because it's spicier than usual. So let's see. I don't even know what barbecue chips taste like. Does it change something? It does not. Okay. Nah, the smell is not spicy at all. That's not spicy at all. Okay, yeah, I'm feeling it now. It's still not spicy. I'm gonna compare it to this one, which I got because I love how spicy it is. Why am I speaking to this? Damn. Okay. It's whatever. I'm gonna speed through whatever I want to speed through. It doesn't smell spicy either, but I'm ready to taste. I'm ready to taste. No, it is salty, but not spicy. Oh. I'm looking at this Cars Park. I'm not impressed. I'm not impressed at all. Mais bon, who am I to judge? It smells like cheese. Is there cheese in it? It says 3 cheeses. It smells like cheese. I think this one, I like them all. Actually, I like these 2 most. Yeah. For the shape of the chip, I like rippled most, but taste-wise, these 2 are best. I don't understand whose level of spicy that they used for these chips, because this is not spicy at all. I'm on an empty stomach, so it's a little spicy, but like I can feel it in my stomach. But as I said, I'm on an empty stomach, but this isn't spicy at all. Also, what time even is it? Oh my god. Maybe the my fault. Maybe the sweetness of the barbecue is taming the spicy, and that's why it doesn't taste spicy. That's my theory, and I'm gonna go with it. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna finish one of those 3 bags, most likely this one, because I'm hungry and I'm waiting for my mom. So yeah. She's calling. Bye. Alright, so I'm finally home. I'm happy I'm home. Why? It works. I think it's gonna work more with this. Where's the... okay. Yeah. Oh, damn. It does make a difference. Alright. I'm home and ready to try these that I've had for like the longest. This watermelon, this is pineapple. I can still taste the chips in my mouth, but who cares? How do I open this again? Ay, ay. Was I supposed to clean this? I'll do without cleaning for today. Somebody should be proud of me because I learned how to do it on my own. Oh, God, it's not working. Right. Oh, that was so extra. Okay. It doesn't taste like pineapple. I mean, it doesn't smell like pineapple. I am weak. It does taste like pineapple. It's good though. It's like, I don't usually like pineapple things, but it's good. Watermelon, which is one of my favorite flavors. Watermelon, mango, passion fruit, and I think that's it, are some of my favorite flavors. Like, I will go, every time I go to Saint Laurent, I just go and get a mango lassi because I love those. Because there's mango in it. It doesn't, it doesn't smell like anything. Duh. Maybe I'm immune to smells. Maybe it's because I've had it for so long. What's the date on these? No date. Because I've had it since summertime, and we're now, what day are we? We're in January. I've had it since maybe August. I don't know. Or September. August is more likely. It's way too sweet, but it's good. It tastes like Alexa, comment on dit prune en anglais?
Prune, en anglais se dit plum.
It tastes like plum juice. Damn. Okay. Somebody commented like I should burp out loud, but I'm not gonna do that. Like, I should just chug and burp out loud, not out loud. And I was like, I'm not equipped for that, unfortunately. Like, I think I would just explode from the inside if I did that. So no, I'm not gonna burp out loud. Alright, so why is one sip doing this to me? This one is better than this one somehow, and yet I like watermelon more than pineapple, but it is what it is. I am done. It's probably just gonna be a compilation of like random things that I've tasted because I'm speaking so fast and I'm trying to close this thing so fast. Anyway, bye for now or forever. I don't know. Who knows? Alright, so let this be a moral lesson for for the people. It's not because you've always wanted to try something that you should just jump in and try it without any research, because that's what I just did, and I'm still suffering the consequences of my lack of research. A quick Google search would have solved that for me. Like, I've always wanted to try, and I've never like just went for it, but it was on a discount, and I was like, I'm gonna take a lot because what if I like it? Turns out I'm not cut out for the kombucha life. And I read on it there's enzymes in it, which enzymes are really good, but hold up. it's enzymes are really good for you, but no. I will live if I never have another sip again. And mind you, like after I was done, I took a sip of like I think it was the raspberry and ginger one. I took another sip because I was like, I want to try again. I am bubbling inside. This isn't fun. I was burping avocados when I started. I am burping kombucha and no longer avocados. Like, where's the avocado now? I I want answers. But bref, thank you for watching. I don't. Wow. Okay, that's something. I don't know if anyone needed an update on my corn chips, but no more. I finished the bag by myself. I'm not proud. It's definitely not my proudest moment, but it is what it is. I'll do. This is why I don't buy chips. And look at my vest. I don't think you can see, but no, you can't. But there's crumbs on it. I am a filthy eater, and I know this. But the fact that there's crumbs is just killing my self-esteem. What is that? Like, the crumbs are calling me fatphobic slurs. I didn't consent to this. Why? Anyway, I guess I'm sure there's crumbs on my pants too. I don't know what to do. I have no idea what to do. Not gonna lie. Here's what it is though. I'll do better. I hope. Oh my god. I'm going to the grocery store with my mom is pretty much keeping this channel alive, not gonna lie. Like, I wanted to come alone, but I went to work and then I came home and then I realized I need something because I want to make cinnamon buns. So I'm waiting for my mom. Is pretty much what's happening. And my hands were clean before I left home because I washed my hands as soon as I came from work. But now I have to clean them again. And what am I trying this time? It's corn chips, barbecue flavored. I don't even know what country they're from. Let's start with that. That's like what these look like, and they come from the Philippines. That's okay. Yo, not gonna lie, the package is pretty heavy. I don't know why, but it is. Okay. I swear I have muscles. They're so much smaller than I expected, but they smell good. So like this is the picture. So I expected them to be around this size, but no, they're tiny, 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 tiny. Let me show you. That's how big they are. No. So it tastes like it absolutely does not taste like barbecue. I can taste the corn, but I don't know what else I'm tasting. But it's not barbecue. But I've had this flavor before. Also, who parks like that? Every time I have to look at how people are parking, and I'm so disappointed. What does this taste like though? There's there's a hint of fish. Let me see. They said seasoning, flavor enhancer, MSG, paprika, yeast flavors, beef, silicon, rusk powder, sorry, mustard, seed colors. Yeah, I can't tell you what but yeah, it is what it is. I have no clue what I'm tasting. Would I recommend this? I guess so. I don't know. If you need a stronger flavor of, like, if you get it for the barbecue flavor and you want to taste the barbecue, then no, I do not recommend it. But it's good. So, no, I wouldn't buy it again. But I will eat this bag, you know. If you're just looking for a quick treat, go for it. It has a lot of calories, but that's what chips do. So I don't know. I recommend for the cone flavor, yeah, I'd recommend it, I guess. I was saying, ooh, that's not good. Yeah, if it's a spicy snack that you want, don't go for that one unless you're a child and or your spiciness level is very low. Why is this happening to me? I Yeah, and your spiciness level is low. But if it's something like Takis or Cheetos that you want, go for it. Don't go for it. If it's less than Takis or Cheetos, go for it. Um, my brain is just melting at this point. Or as I like to say, my software is updating. So yeah, I'll go finish that update elsewhere. Well, if there's one thing that stays consistent is the people in this city can't drive slash park, because what is that? It's embarrassing. That's what it is. I bought something and well, how, oops, the pizza's falling over. Okay, yeah, I bought something because I never tried it, and I don't think it's a common snack because I've never seen that thing before. It's I don't know, bro. I really don't know, but it says bold, intense flavor. It's some type of baked thing. It's like a chip. It's like what is that? It says sweet chili with like 3 chilies, so it should be spicy a little bit. I don't know. Also, my windows are fogging and my mom's here finally. Well, let's try one. They're so tiny. That's what it looks like. Oh, I can smell the spiciness a little bit. No, it's not spicy at all. Not even a tiny bit. But it's a decent snack, I guess. So, do I recommend? I guess so. I don't know. If you're